Hello friends, welcome to Android Gateway YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I compare two documents. One document in which I apply all GoTranscription guideline rules. So this is the document in which I apply all transcription guideline rule. This is the audio test of 24 August file, and other documents that I upload on 25 August without applying transcription guideline rules. So I compare these two documents and you identify the mistakes, and I hope this video is helpful for you. So I compare two documents using online website copyleaks.com. So you identify the mistakes and you see there is identical 91.3% match, then minor change 5.4% and related meaning 0.9%. So you see the difference. This text is with applying all transcription guideline rule. This text is without applying all transcription guideline rules. So you see the difference between these two documents, and I apply all transcription guideline rule into this documents, and this document is applying without transcription guideline rules. And you see all I write tags and this transcription guideline without tags, and you see there is many error between these this transcription dates are marks. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and please like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you very much. See you soon.